Hey, Greg.
Hey, Steve, what are you up to?
I want to show you something.
Really? What is it?
This can you see it?
Why, you finally got the nature notebook.
Yep, I finally got the nature notebook.
That's fantastic.
Yeah, yep. Hey, Mari,
Yes, Steve?
look.
Hey, it's the nature notebook. That's incredible.
I know, right? Oh, Anthony,
Hello, Steve. What's shaking?
check this out.
Whoa, you finally got the nature notebook?
Yeah,
So now, you can remake the episode, Nature, on the first day of spring. Your YouTube channel. That's right, Anthony. He will definitely remake the episode, Nature, with his nature notebook.
that's exactly what I'm gonna do.
Hey, Steve.
Hey, Jeff.
Wow, you finally got the nature notebook. That's so cool.
Yeah, I finally got the nature notebook.
Now all we need is the birthday notebook, the treasure notebook, the nighttime notebook, and the holiday notebook. And also just checkered crayons to go with his Joe notebook.
Right.
Exactly.